Old photographs usually hold a lot of memories from that era. You may not imagine many images through black and white photos, but after recoloring them, we can feel as if we were there. If you also have many vintage family photos and want to bring them to new life, keep watching. In most people's impression, the thought of coloring black and white photos may come to mind in Photoshop. This photo editing tool can indeed help us design many beautiful pictures, but as today's technology continues to innovate, the method of using PS seems to require a lot of work and effort compared to other more advanced methods. So we're going to introduce today with the help of AI technology so that people can color old photos of the tools by themselves at home and use detailed steps. AnyRecover AIRepair is a professional photo enhancement tool. By using this tool, you can colorize photos, remove backgrounds from images, upscale pictures to higher resolution, and many more features. Today, let's learn how to colorize black and white photos with AIRepair. Firstly, you need to navigate to the AIRepair online website. Before you upload the images, please check the option of Term of Use and Privacy Policy. Click Choose Files to select the photos you wish to recolor. After that, AIRepair will analyze the photos you upload and enhance the image quality automatically. Choose the Colorize Photo option and click Start, so it will color black and white photos with AI. Once you're satisfied with the effect, you can save it to your device. Old photographs may have become less clear with the passage of time, but modern technology has come along to allow us to immerse ourselves in those times once again. The end of life isn't the start of death, it's the start of being forgotten.